Okay,
I don't want to take this in my selfie because I've already got the features of this.
So where are we going now?
We're going to Alhambra.
What are we gonna watch? Are we gonna see
Girl on the train. Oh shit!
We're gonna see Ronnie Mitchell.
Girl on the train. Girl on the train. People are watching us. People are watching us.
Can you do this? Have you seen the mini rocket? And a mini rocket. Okay, but yeah, we'll do that.
So there's that one. There's that one. That one. Oh well, that one's deformed, so we're not even going to try that. So is it that or that?
Second one, this one.
Amongst the alibi black holes and memory, no alibi at all.
Are you trying to humiliate me?
No way. Okay. Now we've found.
Why have you just put me through all of that and you found her?
No, I came to tell you something.
Oh, so that's it.
Do you know it must be very difficult for her? I've got a job interview actually.
Staring into the back of someone else's.
I like them. I like the feeling of getting darkness and tunnel, turning the windows to mirrors and the light again. Moving on. Moving on. Not looking back.
Okay, so
It was amazing.
it was good. She is such
She's
a
a fantastic
talented
actress.
actor.
Very
Oh my
good
god,
actress.
both the guys were fit as well.
Yeah, they were. I think the Megan's husband fitter than the other one, than
Yeah,
the murderer.
I
But
was gonna say, yeah, she's so good. I'm dying to get a
Yeah.
picture with her, man. Like, oh my god, she's somewhere in this building. And she,
do you think this will be in here?
yeah.
Should be somewhere in here.
Like, she probably like saying bye to all of them and stuff. I wonder what the exit is. When these exit go up and down.
They'll have security and stuff, won't they? So Daddy can get back there.
I wish we could just break out. But yeah, it was definitely good. We're gonna go see. We're gonna go see more.
Yes, we are.
And I last one standing boy. And I'm feeling rock. Even the workers have all chipped off. And look at us. Like some sad bastards.
Let me ask him whereabouts people's up from.
So now we're just waiting to get picked up, but it's probably gonna take It's probably gonna take 50 years to you know get a lift. So we'll probably just like be homeless for the night. So Jareel. Yep, for you.
Yep.
Yep.